everybody. Okay, so Grabo have brought out some new fabulous baby balloons for both boys and girls. We have got our lovely linky hearts now. So they join separated there, so you can add other things to them. And have the welcome baby on them in the very soft pinks, or we do the very soft pastel blues. What I've done here is just very simply put one of our rainbow holographic hearts, helium filled, just attached on fishing wire. So if you've got a new baby, that's ideal for personalising with the new baby's name, either by just using glitter pens or by using vinyls. Our next little new one is our baby. How cute is our little baby? Very sweet, can be used as it's obviously gender neutral, so it can be used for both boys and girls, or twins of one of each, not really a problem. You just basically take it to whatever colour your customers are wanting. So in this case, we've got baby girl, we've got a little 8 base of latex, air-filled baby sat very nicely on top, and then the tying point that's on the top of the baby's head, we can use to attach whatever balloons we want to it. But 2 new little balloons from the new Welcome Baby range, which are absolutely superb and really are ones that are going to help you grow your business.